Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to increase crochet stitch. First thing first, insert your hook into the next stitch. This is the stitch where you'll make the increase. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You have now 2 loops on your hook. To do so, yarn over again and pull through both loops. This completes your first single crochet stitch. Now insert your hook back into the same stitch. This is what makes it an increase. Now yarn over and pull up a loop. Once again, you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops, and now you've made a second single crochet into the same stitch. And the final result is that you've made 2 single crochet stitches in one stitch, which increases your stitch count by 1. This is how you grow your work when following crochet patterns. Just a pro tip, when working in the round, like for plushies or coasters, increasing regularly, for example every second or third stitch, helps create a flat circle. Always count your stitches to stay on track. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.